Hello everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Leah Diaz and I want to speak with you on something that is going to change your life as a college student. And that is budgeting. First thing first, it's never too early to begin budgeting. Note to parents, help your children now. I remember as a child having no clue what money was. Anybody feel that way when you're a kid? You're like, I know my parents have money, but I just assumed money grew on trees and that anything that I wanted could be mine. Well, guess what? When I grew up, now I'm 25 years old, I realized that that's not the case. My heart especially goes out to you college students because, I don't know if you know this, but the average debt for a college student after graduation, and these are statistics that were taken in 2009, is for credit cards is $2,700, and that's not including student loans. So think about that, almost $3,000 in credit card debt, and then ranging from $19,000 to $40,000 for student loans. So one word, budget. So who in here has heard of Dave Ramsey? Anybody? All right, so he's known all over the nation for helping people find their way out of debt and stay there. The good news is if you start budgeting now, you can beat all statistics and never face the giant of debt. So who's excited? Who wants to never be in debt? Yeah. All right, a friend of mine, this is actually a cool story. A friend of mine started a blog called Letters to Dave. She was determined to be debt-free. So within 1 year, she managed to, by just going through this process of saving $17,000. So it can be done. Say it with me. It is possible.
It is possible.
It starts small by letting go of Starbucks, cutting down the money tree dream, and getting serious. I want to encourage each of you today to start a personal budget. If you don't, especially as a college student, that's something that you need to do. DaveRamsey.com will allow you to link it to your bank account and give you monthly goals that anyone can achieve. I pray that each of you will realize the importance of budgeting and start saving yourself from a future filled with bill collectors and bankruptcies. Hope you guys learned something today, and does anyone have a question?
How would you start a budget?
It'd be real simple. You could just, like I said, Dave Ramsey is a really cool tool because you can go on there and it will actually link it to your bank account. So say that you have been going to Starbucks too much and you're just like, oh, Starbucks. Well, Dave will put out a red alert and be like, all right, this has got to stop. And he gives you goals to achieve. And so a good budget would start with the basics like housing, health care, automobiles, stuff like that. And you can just go on there and connect that to there, and it'll give you all the information that you need. But I think that's all the time we have for today. So if you guys have any more questions after, I'd love to talk to you in detail. Thank you so much and have an awesome day.